Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Syncwire magnetic wireless charger. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's take a look at the back here where it lists the specs. The material is aluminum alloy and silicone. The technology says built-in magnetic coil. Input is 5 volts at 3 amps or 9 volts at 2 amps. Output is 10 watts max. So it does 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or 10 watts. Cable length is 4.92 feet or 1.5 meters, USB-C cable, and the wall charger is 20 watts power delivery. Here it says features designed for the iPhone 12 series, and this will also work with the 13 series. You can use those interchangeably. It says wirelessly charge for iPhone 8 or later, safe charge to protect phones from overheating or over voltage, support seamless coil alignment and fast charge up to 10 watts, strong magnetic secure devices from accidentally shaking or falling, with a stand holder for use on different occasions. So get this opened up. So this will work with phones that have the Magsafe or magnets on them. If it doesn't, it has a template here that you can use to add this magnetic ring to it. So you can use this template on the back of your phone to line it up with this pad, and you can put this self-adhesive pad on there to add a metal surface. So if you have something like an iPhone 8, you could add this to the back of your iPhone 8 to give it the wireless magnetic capabilities. We have a little warranty card there. Here's the user manual. So this lists the specs. It talks about connecting up that pad. This talks about using the charger. So there are some warnings here. It says, please use the kits provided only. Do not place coins, cards, keys, or any other magnetic goods. Do not disassemble, repair, or reassemble the product. Keep away from liquids or high temperatures. Do not knock or drop the product to avoid internal damage. Dispose of the product per local law and regulations. So here's the charger itself. So this has a sort of like ribbed silicone surface. It's kind of hard to show on camera. On the back we have a ring, and this will pop out to act as a little dock stand. So that can be put at different levels based on what angle you want to keep your device at. And here's the cable. It's a USB Type-C cable. It does have a woven jacket on it. And here's the power brick. And this has more detailed specs on it. It says 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2.22 amps, or 12 volts at 1.67 amps. So I'll plug that into my power adapter here. Now I can plug in the charger, like so. To test this, I have my iPhone 13. So that should magnet right on the back, like so. There it is, and now it's charging. You can see it charging there. So here it is on the back. Here's a better angle here. So here's the charger on the back, and we can change the angle of this depending on how much tilt we want on it. So you could lay this flat and just have it flat on a desk like that. So you can use it like a traditional wireless charger, or you can pull that kickstand out like so. So if you're sitting at your desk and you want to watch a movie on your phone, you can do that. You can adjust that angle. So this does also have rubber there, so if you do set it flat, it has some grip on it, then it auto aligns with your phone. So when pulling this off here, I find it's best to kind of take the phone and kind of pull it down like this so it presses against the surface to remove it, as opposed to trying to do this, because you could lift it up. So if you just kind of press it down, it'll come right off. So I do have this plugged into my power meter. It's kind of teetering back and forth between 0.3 watts and 0 watts. So it has a little bit of a phantom draw, but it's very minimal. So that's the Syncwire magnetic wireless charger. I like the low profile of this. It's very small. This would be great for travel. You can fold this up. We'll take the wire here, put it all together. It takes up very little room. That would easily fit in a bag. You have your little charger there. And then when you get to your hotel room or your destination, you can easily plug that in, set it up on your nightstand, and have a little phone holder. So this would also be nice for like a camper or RV. Since it's MagSafe, say you're in your camper, you can plug this in, you can connect it up to your phone, and if it bounces around a little bit, it's not going to come loose. So I could also rotate this to do it the portrait mode. This isn't going to give you as much tilt control, so it's probably better in the sideways mode. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.